Rachna. I'm a chef, food therapist and nutrition advisor, and you're watching The Good Tiffin. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy Holi. I hope you all had your share of gujiyas and thandai, and I hope you stayed in and stayed safe. So today we are going to continue with our functional food series. This is the episode number 2. If you've missed our previous episode, do check it out at the end of the video. Keeping a daily routine to stay healthy and fit seems very important for your long-term success in a holistic way. But when it comes to finding time for your health every day in our daily cramped up schedules, it's easier said than done. And this is where our next functional food comes into the picture. Peanuts. They have amazing nutrient profile. Peanuts are a perfect package of nutrition, taste and affordability. They originated in South America. An interesting fact, peanuts are actually not nuts, they are legumes. Peanuts are a very rich source of plant protein. Half a cup of peanuts have 26% of proteins. Peanuts are a very rich source of insoluble fibers. They are low carb with low GI, making them diabetic friendly. They have 50% fats, most of them healthy monounsaturated fats with balanced levels of PUFA and saturated fats. Now, being rich in proteins, healthy fats and fibers, they keep us full for a longer period of time and help us to lose weight. And they may help increase our metabolism. Not only this, peanuts have been successful in ending malnutrition amongst the population in many African countries. Very importantly, peanuts are a rich source of many bioactive compounds and antioxidants with a variety of health benefits. Boiling the peanuts will enhance its antioxidant content by 2 to 4 folds. Compared to other food items like green tea and red wine, the antioxidant capacity of peanuts is much higher. Peanuts keep you sharp. They have an antioxidant called resveratrol, which is shown to increase blood flow to the brain. Peanuts are also a very rich source of many B vitamins, including niacin. Niacin is used by the body to convert food into energy. It also helps proper functioning of your nervous system, of your digestive system. And it also is supposed to protect you against Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. 100 grams of peanuts have 75% of recommended daily intake of niacin. Peanuts are a very smart choice for pregnant women. Pregnant women require higher amounts of folates, that is your vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is very important because it helps the body to make new tissues, cells, and make red blood cells that prevents anemia. It synthesizes DNA which carries genetic information. So you can understand why folates are very important for pregnant women. Deficiency of the same can cause premature birth and can also lead to many birth defects of a newborn baby. 100 grams of peanuts have 60% of recommended daily intake, that is your RDI, of folates. So unless you're allergic, peanuts are an excellent choice for pregnant women. Peanuts also look after your skin and hair as they are a rich source of biotin and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-aging properties. 100 grams of peanuts have 37% of RDI of biotin and 55% of RDI of vitamin E. Peanuts are heart healthy. High blood pressure has been associated with greater risk of heart diseases and stroke. Peanut and peanut butter contain monounsaturated fats, plant proteins, fibers, arginine, potassium, copper, magnesium, and many other bioactive components, each of which could help lower blood pressure. Peanuts also help you lower your LDL or bad cholesterol and your triglyceride levels. Peanuts are your little immunity boosters. They have the highest levels of arginine. Arginine is an amino acid that is required by your body to keep your liver, skin, joints, muscles healthy. They also strengthen your body's immune system. They regulate hormones and blood sugar, and they promote male fertility. Peanuts are a rich source of many minerals, including copper. Copper helps the body to make red blood cells, helps iron absorption, supports body's immune system. It also helps the body to make collagen and protects the cells against damage, keeping your skin, other tissues and bones healthy and young. 100 grams of peanuts have 127% of RDI of copper. So next time you're hungry, grab a handful of peanuts or a tablespoon of peanut butter instead of chips and biscuits. So all in all, peanuts are your humble superfood soldiers. They will not only protect your health but will enhance it. So take a peanut break every day for your health. Have a handful of peanuts, either roasted or boiled. You can even make yourself a peanut butter sandwich. You can include peanuts in a sabudana khichdi, poha, etc. You can make a variety of chutneys out of peanuts. Make sure you're not allergic to these nuts. If you have any suggestions or questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. This Friday we meet again with a new fortified recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.